Locksmith Kearny, New Jersey offers the lowest prices in New Jersey on locksmith services. Ask any of our competitors and they will say the same about us, but not so nicely. How do we do it? Volume. We do it a lot. We promise only the best customer service. Our technicians work in every category, particularly in the field of vehicle locks and keys. Our pros are professionals. They can repair any lock or key connected to your car, truck, or motorcycle. If you happen to be experiencing a vehicle lockout, we can clear that up for you in an instant, but only if you call us, Locksmith Kearny, New Jersey, at 201-706-7087.